Bella, where are we? Where? Say it again.
Hoover Dam.
Do you remember when we were young? Life was so simple and we just had fun. Do you remember when we were small?
Right. So we're at the Hoover Dam. We just got done walking around, checking it out. It's kind of cool, really big. We're gonna do a little bit of a Did You Know? Kids are gonna tell you some fun facts about the Hoover Dam. Something that we've learned today and something that they've learned. So, Dalton, what'd you learn about the Hoover Dam?
The bottom of it is 2 football fields long. It is as tall as to be 706 feet tall. Everybody helped. They finished it. In 1937.
36.
6. They built all the wires out of copper.
Tell everybody about the doggy. Check, check. A doggy?
Doggy was killed.
Yeah, a doggy
was killed.
Yeah, mm-hmm.
And someone did one over that dog. Never he does a voice, he does this. He does it better than you though. Oh, patient. Yeah, he does it better. Oh no! You go like no, he doesn't go like that. No, you do. Well, you go like that. You're going.
When the morning light brings us to our feet, we'll keep chasing what we were meant to be. We can feel it, we're ready for anything. This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forevermore, we can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we knew we would find. Leaving all
I couldn't even get to the downhill. Okay, we're going downhill. Down. Here we go, they're going down. And it's even faster. I'm like sprinting right now. And I'm too slow still.
give our dreams to the rising sun. Make our way, we have just begun. We're closer,
What's up, Dan?
there's so much ahead.
Alright, so we've had a few requests for some inside the trailer, actual life inside the trailer.
No.
So this is what you get. Be aware that you guys asked for it. This is our life inside the trailer. It's dinner time. Monica's getting ready to make some food for us.
Video of me.
So your grocery store is not close by, so we're winging it.
So yeah, it's time to do some more grocery shopping. We've got Emmy being weird down there. Jack sitting all by himself on the couch.
And I can do a cartwheel.
You can do a cartwheel, but it's hard
I
to do
can
it.
do a somersault.
You can do a somersault, huh?
And look at me, camera.
So, kids' bedroom. Lila sleeps up top.
I sleep way up there.
Way up there, Niola.
And it's a lot smaller.
Down there.
And this is amazing trailer.
So, we've got Dalton up on the top bunk on that side. Emmy on the bottom bunk. And then way down here, can you turn her lights on?
Now you can't pull it. Yeah.
Then down on the bottom, we made this little bed down here for Bella. Kind of cool. She gets to sleep pretty much on the ground, but she got a mattress down there, just right for her. So,
And me and Dalton are fighting right now.
and then there's a little bathroom back here. Dirty clothes. Yep, that's it. So this little spot right here
Is Jackson's.
is Jack's bed.
Everybody puts
During
stuff on all
the
their-
day, he doesn't sleep in it. It becomes like a little catch-all. But at night, we clean it off and he sleeps in there. During the day, nap time, he sleeps in our mom and dad's
Well,
bed.
sometimes he
What?
sleeps in here.
This is it.
And-
Hey. So yeah, Monica put a pizza stone in the oven because we heard
they
that's what works. But look,
Cracked.
pizza stone.
Oh, you can't see it.
Pizza stone is broken.
Cracked right now. We were like, what's that noise?
But we'll see.